Did you know that over 90% of millionaires own at least three wealth-generating assets? And almost nobody talks about the ones that actually matter? Yeah. While most people are busy buying crap they don't need, the rich quietly buy things that make money while they sleep. And today, I'm about to show you the 5 assets you must own if you want to escape the work till you die trap. Stick around, because number 5 is the one almost everyone ignores, and it's a damn gold mine. Enough talk, let's dive into why you're really here. Asset number 1, and this might surprise you, but a private business is still the number 1 wealth generator in the world. Not stocks, not real estate, not crypto. A business. Why? Because when you own a business, you're not trading time for money anymore. You're building a machine that can work even when you don't. And the best part? In today's world, you don't need millions, investors, or some crazy idea. You just need a solution to a problem. A physical business? Could be a coffee shop, a small gym, a repair service, a local agency. Anything people already pay for. A digital business? Even easier to start. Online stores, digital products, consulting, content creation, marketing services, software tools. Stuff you can run from a laptop, at home, in your pajamas, while your neighbor still thinks money only comes from a 9-to-5. Every wealthy person has some type of business, because a business scales. Your salary doesn't. And listen, even if your business makes just a little extra cash at the start, that cash can be invested into the next assets on this list. This is how you get the snowball rolling. Asset number 2, income-generating real estate. Not your house, not your parents' house. I'm talking about a property that puts money in your pocket every month. A rental apartment, a duplex, a small office, even a garage or a storage unit. Anything people are willing to pay for. Most people think real estate is only for rich idiots with too much money. Total myth. The truth is, real estate is powerful because it gives you 3 ways to get richer at the same time. 1. Cash flow. People pay you rent every month. 2. Appreciation. The property usually grows in value over time. 3. Tax advantages. Depending on where you live, this can save you a ton of money. And here's the trick nobody tells you. You don't need to buy something fancy. You need something rentable, something boring. Boring real estate makes rich people richer. Imagine owning a small apartment that brings in just $300 a month of positive cash flow. That may not sound crazy, but that's $3,600 a year. In over a decade, that's $36,000 from one simple property, not counting the rise in value. See why millionaires love real estate? The best part? You can reinvest the cash flow into ETFs, Bitcoin, or more properties. And suddenly your money starts multiplying in ways your job never could. Asset number 3, ETFs. The easiest way to invest without feeling like you're gambling your paycheck on random stocks. If you've ever looked at the stock market and thought, man, I don't know shit about any of this, then ETFs are your best friend. An ETF is basically a basket of many different companies. So instead of trying to pick one perfect stock, you invest in the whole market at once. It's like buying the entire supermarket instead of guessing which chocolate bar will sell best. You get instant diversification, way lower risk, and historically strong long-term returns. For example, broad ETFs like S&P 500 or global market ETFs have consistently grown for decades. Even through recessions, wars, pandemics, and whatever other crap the world throws at us. The beauty of ETFs? They're simple. You buy, you hold, you relax. You don't need to check charts every day like some stressed-out stock addict. You don't need to understand market timing. You don't need to pretend you're the next Warren Buffett. ETFs let your money grow quietly in the background. And that's exactly how real wealth is built. Slow, steady, unsexy, but powerful. If you start early and contribute even small amounts, the compounding effect is insane. It's literally the closest thing we have to set it and forget it, wealth building. Asset number 4, dividends. One of the most underrated ways to build reliable passive income. Dividends are basically a company sharing a piece of its profits with you, just because you own their stock. Yes, you heard that right. You get paid simply for being an owner. I mean, how cool is that? Some companies have been paying dividends for 30, 40, even 50 plus years through every economic meltdown. These companies are called dividend aristocrats, and they're basically the grown-ups of the stock market. Stable, disciplined, boring, and rich. Now, the magic is in reinvesting those dividends. Let's say you earn a few bucks in dividends every quarter. Nothing crazy, but instead of spending it on coffee or another useless gadget, you use it to buy more shares. And those extra shares also pay dividends, which buy more shares, and suddenly you have this unstoppable snowball rolling downhill. Give it a few years and the snowball becomes massive. That's how people build a passive income stream that grows whether the market is up, down, or sideways. Dividends won't make you rich overnight, but they will make you richer every single year without you lifting a finger. This is the kind of asset that quietly pays your bills, your rent, and eventually your entire lifestyle. And now, asset number 5, Bitcoin. Here's a mind-blowing fact to start with. If you invested just $100 into Bitcoin back in 2010, today you'd have over $3.43 billion. Yeah, billion with a B. Back then, Bitcoin was trading for around 30 cents. People literally treated it like some internet joke money. And today it's one of the best performing assets in human history. Bitcoin doesn't grow in a straight line, of course. It moves in cycles. Massive bull runs, painful crashes, long quiet periods, then new highs again. That's just how Bitcoin works. Because of that volatility, trying to perfectly time the bottom is basically impossible. You'll wait, hesitate, second-guess yourself, and end up missing the big moves. Instead, the smartest strategy for most people is simple. Regular investing, also known as dollar cost averaging. Buy a small amount consistently, weekly, monthly, whatever. No drama, no stress. Over time, this smooths out price swings and historically leads to strong long-term results. Bitcoin isn't magic, and it's not a quick rich ticket, but treated as a long-term asset with a calm strategy, it becomes one of the most powerful wealth creators available today. So there you have it. The 5 wealth-generating assets you should know. 1. Private business. Your own engine that can grow without limits. 2. Income real estate. Cash flowing while you sleep. 3. ETFs. Broad market growth made simple. 4. Dividend stocks. Get paid just for owning shares. 5. Bitcoin. Massive long-term growth with smart strategy. If you learned something real in this video, hit like, tap subscribe, and leave a comment. Which of these assets are you already building? I read every comment, so tell me below. And if you want more videos breaking down real wealth building strategies, you know what to do.